You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Karule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities.
We managed to convince to come to Uganda way back in December 2023. This group of the 15 has been living in the country under the cover of Idaria Bar. He has been shifting them from different places and hiding them, and he managed to defraud them of close to $100,000 US. Now, Idaria Bar has not been working alone, and this is something you cannot do alone. He has been working with his accomplices. I've mentioned 4 of them who are actually living in Uganda, but now they are on the run. One is Hafiz Martin Abdul. That one is also a Pakistani national. Kudir Ahmed is also a Pakistani national. Rana Amjid Ali is also a Pakistani national. And then Tabir is also known as Burundi. That is a code name that he uses. This particular group stays in the country with the status of refugee. This is the call we've been making, that human trafficking now cuts across in all communities, regardless of whether people are in refugee communities or they are living legally in the country in a different status, whether they are working as employees or business owners or foreign nationals. From this particular case, Abel, a gentleman, Abba, a dairy, we discovered that he had actually also tried to traffic 2 Pakistanis earlier on to Spain with fake visas, and they were apprehended at Entebbe International Airport by our security personnel there, together with immigration, and their case went to police and to court. However, what is interesting is what Abba has been doing. He identified as Haidari Abba, a Christian. Then, in other societies of the Pakistani who are Muslim, he would identify as Shabir Hussain to try and balance his fraud within the different communities. Remember, for him to fit in with the Christians of Pakistani origin and the Muslims, he decided to choose 2 identities. And to some people, he's known as Shabir Hussain, and yet he's actually Haidari Abba. That's why we decided to bring this out today, so that even if you know him as Shabir Hussain, at least when you look at this picture or this passport copy, you can easily identify whichever name he has given. You can identify the person and bring them to book. Now, this we